Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Little River County in southwestern Arkansas, south-central Sevier County in southwestern Arkansas, southeastern McCurtain County in southeastern Oklahoma, northwestern Bowie County in northeastern Texas, northern Morris County in northeastern Texas, southeastern Red River County in northeastern Texas, until 11:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 10:45 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Adable to 7 miles northwest of Wilkerson, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include New Boston, Foreman, Buckselder, DeKalb, Winthrop, Arkinda, Dalby Springs, Avery, Nona, Hanworth, Bocoma, Almont, Moon, Beaver Dams, Harts Bluff, Lydia, Good Lake, Harris, Cuthand, and English. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Significant weather advisory.